As the clock ticks faster, it seems all is set for the first Western Region BBI consultative meeting in Kakamega, scheduled for January 18th. Led by 5 Western governors, members of the public and politicians met to examine the BBI document in detail and endorsing the Buhungu meeting, calling for leaders to put aside their personal interests and focus on the benefits of BBI.
What we have to consider is not the interest of Raila or the interest of Uhuru. What we have to consider is the best interest of Kenya.
Members of the parliament demanding that they should also be included in the Buhungu meeting planning committee. Leaders demanded that all Western leaders to be on board, including Musalia Mudavadi and Moses Wetangula, who have come out clearly that they will boycott Buhungu meeting even though they don't oppose the BBI report.
Tumechakuana wabunge sisi pia watano. Kila mmoja anawakilisha kaunti yake, tunakuja pamoja. So that is not just governors wanatembea peke yao wanapanga na sisi tunapangwa tu.
We will reach out to all leaders, including Mheshimiwa Musalia na Wetangula. We have no agenda to exclude anyone, to isolate anyone, or to compete politically. BBI is about all of us. It's about our joint future.
Kakamega Governor Wycliffe Oparanya proposing that a referendum should be held as quick as possible to effect the changes proposed in the Building Bridges Initiative report.
Na sisi tunataka referendum ije kesho. Kule Kakamega mtaona vile watu wa Kakamega watapiga kura vile.
Leaders present also dismissing possibility of Oparanya being crowned as the region's kingpin during the upcoming event.
We are not here to endorse any single person to be the regional spokesman of Western Kenya.
Kakamega Senator Cleophas Malala warned those planning to attend a parallel rally in Mumias town to counter the Buhungu meeting.
As the senator, I want to categorically state that I've put every machinery in place to ensure that we only have one meeting, which will be the Buhungu Stadium meeting. Nobody will be allowed to carry out any sort of meeting on 18th. We are going to mobilize our boys, we are going to mobilize our community to desist from attending a meeting convened by brokers.
And although all is set for next Saturday, it is apparent that a lot of fence mending is needed between the two camps in Western in the next few days. But what is more important is to wait and see if on 18th they will attend the BBI meeting at Buhungu Stadium. Willie Lusige, Zoya.